guys, this is assignment 2, that is program sessions, practice program sessions. So in previous assignment we had done one program that is based on the number that was given in selection screen. That particular number table should get displayed in the output. For example, in selection screen, if I give number 2, the output should be like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So we had done this assignment in previous assignment number 1 video, and also we had done how to reverse this, how to reverse print this by using second radio button reverse. Now let us move a step forward for this. Now today's assignment, that is assignment 2, is little bit extension for the previous assignment. That is, we need a screen, same screen, just like the previous assignment, with same text like please enter some number and an input area where I can enter some number. So yeah, if you want, you can take 2 radio buttons as previous example. This is normal and this is reverse. So the previous example, the previous assignment is, if I give some number here like this and select the first radio button, the output should come like this, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. If I select the second radio button and execute the program, then the output should come like this, in the reverse mode, like 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So now today's example, in today's example, it will be like an extension of this one. That is, we have to design the same screen with same text, same input field, same 2 radio buttons. So if I select the first radio button and execute the program, then the output should display like this, like complete plain, like 2 ones are is equal to 2, 2 twos are is equal to 4, 2 threes are is equal to 6, like this. So like this we have to display up to 10th row, like 2 tens are is equal to 20. If I give 3 tables should get printed like this: 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 4. Same, if I select the second radio button, it should print in the reverse order, like 2 tens are 20, 2 nines are 18, like this. So in previous example we had done this. Now we will see how to do this, how to print with a complete text like 2 ones are is equal to 2, like this. So let us start this. Let us see how to do this. If you want to practice, or if you want to try this, you can pause this video now and try for a while. If you are able to do it, fine. Otherwise you come back to this video, play it again, so that you can see the solution, how to write the logic for this. Even I don't know the logic, I'll try to do it on the spot. Let us see. Let's see, 38 was it assignment 2. This is assignment 2. Okay, so the first step is you have to create a selection screen like this. So let us do this. We'll take parameters P1, which is of type C. We'll take some length 2 and activate this. Execute. Now I want to change this text, so go back, go to text elements, text symbols, selection text. Please enter some number. Activate this. Execute. So I need two radio buttons also. So go back, provide a radio button, R1 radio button group, RAD1. R1 is the radio button name, R2 is also a radio button name, and the group name is RAD1. So activate this. So if you don't understand this video, if you want to see the previous assignment video, just go to my videos list. You can find the assignment 1, just go through it and then you can see this video for more clarification. So go to this selection screen. Now I want to change this to values text also. So go to text elements, text symbols. So here so this is for normal, this is for reverse. So now I think the screen is ready. Let me create one box or block for this. So selection screen, begin of block B1 with frame, and selection screen, end of block B1. Activate. So okay, the screen is ready. Now whatever number I give here and execute, the table should get printed. So how to do this? So this is our requirement. So is the paint this one. So now anyways we have to print 10 records in the output. That's for the show. So what can we do? You can use do loops, that is do 10 times can do. So inside this whatever logic you want you can write. Anyways we have to print it 10 times, so you have to use this do loop. So inside this we have to write whatever logic you want. So what should be the output that we need to display? 2 1s or 2 2s or 4 or whatever the number that was given in selection screen, based on that particular table should get displayed completely. So now I want to use the keyword called concatenate. You know what is meant by concatenate? Concatenate is the keyword used to join or club multiple fields or strings into single. So the concatenate field will work like this: concatenate field 1, field 2, up to n fields. You can club or join up to n fields into a single field or single sum variable like this. So I want to use this, so let us use this keyword called concatenate. So what are the things I want to club? So what is our requirement? If user gives 2 in the selection screen, it should start with 2 Ones are, I mean 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, like this. If user gives 3 here, then it should come like 3 into 1, 3 into 2, like this. So what I will do is I will concatenate this P1. If you want space, we can take space, and for into purpose I will take this X, or you can take this star, which is meant like multiplication, or you can take X. So P1 space X, and I will write like SY index, means when the loop is rotating for the first time it will come 1. When it is rotating for the second time it will become 2. For the third time it will become 3. I think so. Let us see. If it is working fine, then okay. Otherwise we'll change the logic. So concatenate P1 space into SY index. Again we need space. Again is equal to. So that is the right. 2 into 1 is equal to, then whatever the value that was come after the multiplication. So to capture this we need one variable. Let me take one variable like data A type C. So this will be two size character. Now inside this I will say like A is equal to P1 into SY index. That means if it is the value in P1 is 2, then 2 into, for the first loop 1, it will be 2. For the second loop 2 into 2, that will be 4. So that you will write it here. Space, if you want space again you can take it as space, then A. Then I need one more variable like data P type string. So here I am passing all this, I am concatenating all these things into variable P. So that is the thing I am doing here. I will explain it one more time while debugging, so no need to worry. The index must be a character. What is this? Okay, it's not accepting SY index. So it is the system is telling you should use in concatenate either character, numeric, D type, whatever it is, or string. So what you will do, I will remove this SY index. And I will take one variable with the data type of string, and I will pass this SY index value into that variable C. So as I said, even I don't know the logic, I am just trying it lively. So P1 space into here I have to write, I think so, C. What is this? Again dot space. Okay, C. Okay, so let us check now. Check. Okay, this is fine. Then activate this. So now all these values are I'm concatenating into the variable B. So let me clear off here. In P1 there will be a number, whatever the number that was given in selection screen. Suppose user has given 2 in the selection screen, then in P1 that will be 2. Let me write it here just for your understanding purpose. If user gives 2 in the selection screen, the value here will be 2. And here I am mentioning space. You see here I am also concatenating space, so you will get a space here. And again I am concatenating value X here, so it will come like X. And here again I am taking this, I forgot to give space, I think here. Let me give space also. Space, so you'll get a space here. Again C means the value of SY index. For first time it will be 1. Then again space, you will get it here. Then next you will get equal to. will equal to the value of again space you will get here, and the value of A. The value of A will be 2 ones are 2. So it should work. Let us try this. So I will try write what is that B. So activate this. Execute. So I'm giving value 2 here and execute. So we are getting 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 2 3 is 6, 12, 8, 10, 12, 14. So we are getting perfectly. But I think we had given some space in between all these things, but it's not coming. Let me check. So 2 I had given space, into space. Yeah, we had given space, but I don't know why it's not coming. Instead of this, let me do one thing. I will remove this space. I will remove this space. P1 to C. This, because keeping spaces in inverted commas is making more confusion. So to simplify this, what I will do is P1 into C equal to A into P. We can use this thing called separated by, which will by default use spaces in the string. So let us test it now. Activate this. Execute. So this is to execute. Now it is little bit meaningful. So instead of hard coding the spaces, it will be little bit confusion. You can give separated by so that it will come more clear. So we are getting 10 values. 2 ones are 2, 4, 6. Yeah, fine. If I give 3, execute, I will give third table. If I give 4, I give fourth table. So it is working fine. So now how to do this in the reverse mode? How to do in the reverse mode? When I select the second radio button, it should print in the reverse mode. So what we had done here, just a second. Yeah, no problem. So what we have to do, I had in previous example also same scenario was there. I had taken one variable LV underscore string, which is of type LV underscore index or something, which is of type SY index. So now what I will do is if LV underscore index is initial, then what I will do, I will pass the value of SY index. If you don't understand this logic, you just watch my previous video, that is assignment 2. There I had explained this logic very much clearly. So I'm passing here like else LV underscore index, it will be LV underscore index minus 1. So A is equal to P1 into this one. If sorry, I think we have to write it in the second radio button. Just remove this. This is for the first radio button. If R1 is equal to X, R1 is equal to X, else, that means if we select a second radio button, then same thing you will do it here, but here you have to write if LV underscore index is initial, and if so here you will write LV underscore index. I am passing the value of SY index, else LV underscore index is equal to LV underscore index minus 1. To understand this logic, just go through the previous video. This is one, right? Not. Now let us check this. variable 2, reverse mode, execute. No, it's not working. Let us see what is the issue. We have to change here, right? So LV underscore index. Execute. Still it is not working. Let us see. P1 into, for example, wait, not this one. Sorry, this is not S5 index. I think we have to use 10. And previous example also, I think we had used 10, not S5 index. I got confused. So here you have to write 10. That means whatever the number that you are using in do loop, that you have to mention it here. So how it is working logically, you just watch my previous video. I had shown it clearly in the debug. So here if I give 10, it will be a normal mode. And if I select the second radio button, it will be the reverse mode. If I give 3, it is normal mode. If I select the second one, it will be reverse mode. So this is assignment number 2. We'll meet you again with some other assignment in the next video.